Intervention orders are granted in circumstances where the courts believe they need to intervene in an existing relationship between two people to prevent prohibited behaviour occurring. Depending on the conditions of the intervention order, there will be a restraining element that will impact the way that you live your life. It's not an area of law that is easily navigated, particularly in circumstances where orders are often granted and taken out very quickly before people have an opportunity to understand what's really happening. Because there are criminal implications to contravening an intervention order, it's very important that as soon as you're aware that an order exists, you make sure you receive legal advice so that you're aware of what the risks that you're facing are. A previous client I represented once was an uncommon case. A man had taken out 3 intervention orders against his ex-wife and her family. He'd been subjected to a protracted period of extreme psychological torture by them and was effectively trying to flee. His ex-wife took out an intervention order against him, alleging a series of false accusations, and even further than that, spoke to police to have criminal charges filed against him. I appeared on his behalf at court and successfully prevented an intervention order from being granted at all. We also defended the criminal allegations, and it transpired in the court proceedings that she'd actually perverted the course of justice, and we referred her to Victoria Police, where I believe criminal charges were filed against her for that deceit. For my client, this had an enormous impact. He was a man who'd been influenced, controlled, and psychologically tormented by this woman for a long time. So the relief for him was enormous. I have a lot of experience in the intervention order jurisdiction in all courts around Victoria, and that's quite important to remember because every court operates slightly differently depending on the people that are practicing there. In my experience, the most important element is being able to navigate each case with its own unique elements and apply them in a strategic manner to achieve the best outcome for that person's case.